taking Red for a spin. We're going to Marmaris. There's a shop there we want to check out with building materials. Come along. Well, we arrived. I even managed to park Red somewhat decent. And there's our shop. Let's check it out. They've got gorgeous stains here, but they're extremely expensive. 350 liras for a liter, where normal stain is 100 liras for a liter. So, no thank you. I'm looking for a drill bit. I've got these, many of them. So I was just looking at these. They're very expensive. The guy that works here said this would do just the same because I mainly do plastic and wood. And that's only 80 liras. So that's what it will be. Sorted. These are great too, to keep your cabinet doors closed. I'm going to buy a few of those. Well, that was a great success. We have everything on the list. Happy days. Just spotted this. Look! Whole shop! Oh wow! That's all soap. Lavender, thyme. Oh wow, I don't even know what it all is, but it's all olive soap. Beautiful. Beautiful. And these oils. There's even more. Oh, they do orange. Dried orange. Like we're trying at home. So this is what they should be like. Buy a pack, then you know what they're supposed to be like. We can't go to places like this. We buy it all. Don't know what this is. Looks like pasta. Don't they look fantastic?
Yeah. Oh,
so you want to buy one?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you want?
One of the pepper ones.
They're 50 lira.
Yeah.
That's nice. Can't resist. We're going to have some lunch here. So now we have to organize some money and find some wood. after we got the wood that started raining, and it's still looking very threatening there, so we rushed it home. Next job, get rid of that wood, make it into siding, a ceiling, stain it, paint it, everything we want to do with it. Good morning! Well, there's wood. There's a blue sky till 3ish this afternoon. So I think I should be able to do some staining and painting. The long ones are for the ceiling. They will be stained brown, chestnut brown. The sidings, the shorter ones, will be white. Timo! Kom eens terug! Timo! Come on! Timo! Wat doe je? Come on, Timo! Timo! Good boy! Come on then! Come on then! Could be a cow. Anything in this street is in trouble with him. Hey.
Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way.
I'd much rather do this when it's already put in place. But Turkish wood is always wet. It's never dry. So when you put it in place, it shrinks, and then where the seams are, you will have light little lines. So that means after 6 months or so, you have to do it again. Don't feel like doing that. So we'll do it now. Maybe once, maybe twice. And hopefully be done.
How I try to make you stay. Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
One down.
Or won't you
15 more to go.
Won't you stay? Tell me all your secrets.
One batch done. One batch more, and I can go to the white. I'm going to get this done today. Nice. When I calculated these long ones for the ceiling, I used the table as my standard, and now it seems that these are bigger than the table ones. So, not quite sure how many I need. Just to be sure, I'm going to stain 2 more. If we use them elsewhere, it's fine. We always use the same stain anyway. Maybe I'll cut one to pieces, make a big mistake, most likely. So yeah, stain 2 more, and be done. Done. Now I have to find a place to store them till they're completely dry, so I can do the white there. Oy, oy, oy.
Oh, you think that I'm strong, but I'm not.
I am so looking forward to putting these boards up. The difference will be so big. Getting rid of that aluminium look on my spaceship. It'll be great. It'll be heavy, but it'll be great. First, white paint. I probably have to do it twice. Oh, one today, one tomorrow. Sealing in tomorrow. Got tomorrow and the weekend left. Then I have to do other things for a while.
Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
Lunch. Apple, banana, yogurt, sun-dried dut or white, what is it, mulberry? Don't know, mulberry I think. Peanuts, little muesli. Delicious. He wants the adventures, but all he does is sleep. I should have him a job. Help me. Yeah. You should do something. Earn your way into the van. I don't think so, huh? No. And then at the end of the day, when I'm completely knackered, then he jumps up like, time to walk. Don't you? Yeah. You'll hear me. Go to sleep. Okay. I need more table space.
Pretty much dry.
Touch dry, yeah.